what's up? In today's video, I will be talking about the pros and the cons of these ice skates. Stay watching and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tap that bell right now so you don't miss out on more videos like this one. This particular brand. It's the DBX Boy Skates, and we're gonna talk about the pros and the cons about this. So straight up, let me tell you what I love about this. Straight up, this is what's called an adjustable skate. So it adjusts between 4 sizes. So you have 10, if you wear a shoe size between 10 and 13, so it's 10, 11, 12, 13, so 4 sizes. So this gives you more bang for your buck, meaning it can grow with your kid. And so that's the biggest pro I love about this. So that allows it to grow in and they can have it from year in, year out. In addition to that, what I love about these skates is the dual buckle closure. So right here, I love the fact that you can buckle from the very bottom and the top. So that's gonna be a pro and a con. So let's talk about the pros right now. I like the convenience that you can have that and it just snaps in and out. So I do like that, making it very simple as instead of having the laced up skates. And then it has the padded liner for secure comfort. So it's nice and padded inside. And so it's just more comfortable for your little one when they're learning how to skate. Now, straight out the box, another thing that I loved about it is the fact that this comes all inclusive. This box has included the pads and the carrying bag. So you have both your knee and your elbow pads, and in addition to that, there is a carrying case that you have to carry your skates in, and that is super convenient. Now, there is one big con. So one thing I don't like about this. For a beginner skater, this to me did not work. So my son had a lesson, he had his 3rd lesson on Monday, and previously we were using the rentals, and the rentals allows you to lace all the way up. Now when we went ahead and we placed the adjustable with the buckles, the fit was perfect, so I love that. But these right here, the buckles itself, I found that it did not give him the ankle security that he needed. So as he was learning how to skate and skating, he looked as though he was going to topple over. And that's simply because his ankle was not supported well. This didn't get as tight as it should. So let me show you guys. When we adjust this, when you adjust it, it goes in from right here. And to open it up, let's see. Yeah. So to open it up, you press the lever right here and you pull it out. Okay? Same thing with the bottom. So when it's time to adjust it, we want to put it in and snap. Now, that's as far as it adjusts as far as the buckle is concerned. And from my 5-year-old, that still did not give him the snugness that he needed as far as a beginner skater needs. So as he was skating, he was not firmly in here. His ankles were not supported and it was very uncomfortable for him. Now, what his coach suggested that we go ahead and do, she suggests that we go ahead and we purchase or rent the skates that are going to lace all the way up because it's going to give him great support on his ankles. Now, I don't think these skates are bad. They're not bad at all. They just are not good for a beginner skater. As he skates, he becomes more comfortable and just efficient on the ice. I think this is gonna work out. But If you have a beginner skater, this may not be the best for them. But once your child gets more comfortable, I think it may work out. Just to show you how it adjusts, you can see on the sides right here, it has J10, J11, J12, J13, and you would adjust from there as far as the fit is concerned. So as far as these skates, the DBX, I'm gonna have to either exchange or put him up until he becomes more comfortable on the ice. So this is going to be a no-go for me right now for beginner skating. Later on, it may work out. So that's my video for today. If you're in the market for a new ice skate for your little one, I hope that this is helpful for you, and I hope that I was able to give you a good set of pros and cons. Thanks for tuning in today. Don't forget to leave comments below and share this video with a friend. And guys, remember, life is what you make of it. Always has been, always will be. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Smooches until next time. Ciao.